Alright, we're going to be trying this Goody Girl brown sugar crunchy oat flour cookies. And they are 100 calories per serving. And one bag is one serving. So let's give them a try, shall we? We just ate something sour, so, or had something sour, so I think something a little bit sweet with brown sugar will be quite nice. Alright, here is what it looks like when I open the bag. Right there. Here you go, Lisa.
Very crunchy looking.
They have a lot of crumbly debris all over them. Very dry. Very crumbly.
Okay. Do you like a crunchy cookie? A really crunchy cookie?
You can taste the brown sugar. If I had teeth, I'd like this very much because it has excellent flavor.
That's good flavor. I like
They do start dissolving down after not too long. I will probably crumble the rest of these and use them as a topping over some, maybe some ice cream or some yogurt or something along those lines, or even maybe over some fresh fruit, chopped up bananas, apples, oranges, and some grapes, and then little these crumbled on top, give it a little bit of texture. Yeah. Ooh, a pie crust made of these would be really tasty.
If your milk dippers, those would work well with milk.
Ooh, yeah, these would be good as dippers. But yeah, these are good. I'd recommend others. I'll look and see if I can find a link. If I can, I'll put it below. And if you've ever tried these, what are your thoughts? Thank you so much for sharing and watching, and we'll see you in the next one.